It is Sunday morning. I was sleeping, and then I got a call from Mr. Gustavo, DJ Flex, Houston Carmeets, saying, hey, something happened, and so now we is here with Houston Carmeets. Yes, that's the Mustang from when they first bought it, being yellow, and now it's orange. Let's see if we can talk to him real quick. Because Mr. Dammit Boy has stuff to say to the channel. Mr. Dammit Boy.
Dammit Boy, what's up, what's up? Where are we going?
Where are we going? You have a little story.
Oh, dude, so today I missed my flight. I overslept. We were supposed to be in Atlanta. So, hey Maddox, if you're watching this, hey, it happens, bro. It happens. I put my alarm the wrong time, and shoot, but we wanted to see cars, so I was like, you know what? Let's hit up Stitch. Let's go see some cars, man. Luckily, we have a car meet today.
Flex called me saying,
yeah,
hey, I missed the flight. Let's go to Torque Houston, Cars and Coffee. For those who are in the Houston area, the Minute Maid Park, or so-called Dakin Park, however you want to call it, had a car show with all the Chavez 713 cars.
Yeah.
All the Paganis, the Huayras,
nice.
the Lambos, everything.
Over $16 million worth of just on one side.
But here we are, Sunday morning. This is the Houston Carmeets whip, freshly wrapped. And man, look at that pearl, that shimmer.
Yeah, you see that pearl shit?
And then the carbon hood from Carbon Showroom, thanks to Thomas. Which we gotta get to Thomas about these mirror caps.
Thomas, come on.
Thomas, I gotta come see you. But what else is done to the Houston Carmeets whip?
Man, bro, so you got the coating place did a matching accents. He put shiny black front lip, shiny black fog lights covers, and then look at the grill. So we got the top and bottom grill, shiny black. Same thing as the side skirts, the mirror caps. It looks pretty good, bro. Looks good.
Yes, sir.
Blacked out a 5.0 emblem. Carbon fiber sort of wrap on top to sort of match the carbon fiber wing. So, yeah. Oh, and then look at the calipers, brand new. Tech stop, rotors and pads. And then the coating place did a paint match on the calipers.
Shout out to Daniel at the coating place.
Yeah. Look at the front. Look, the front looks so good. It just matches. I was like, almost identical. And it does the shift too. If you get close to it, it actually has a little bit of pearl too.
You're in the Houston area, body work, repair, the coating place is the place to go. They do sponsor Houston Carmeets.
Yep.
And amazing prices.
Oh yeah. Gotta check them out.
Well, right now we're about to head to Torque Houston. Probably got to give this a little wipe down once I get there. I just wiped the back down because the BMW pops cover the back end.
By the way, big shout out to Top Secret Automotive. I got a whole kit that we're gonna use. So you gotta show me how to use it. You know.
I gotta teach Gustavo on the Top Secret products because he knows me and Darius always talk about Top Secret.
Yeah. So we're gonna use the what is it, like a
waterless wash?
Waterless wash. We're gonna do that right now.
That's what I just did on the back end, because the whole back end was all black because you know the BMW pops. So it fills it up with all that carbon buildup.
Also, Stage, big shout out to Pete and Andy at Aesthetics Wraps and Aero Dent Repair for that amazing wrap. They're still working on it. They got to do a couple of more touches. We just had to rush it for the Dynamo Car Show, but now we have time to actually go in detail.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yeah. I guess I'll follow you.
Yeah, let's go.
All right. So it's not very often where we get to cruise in cars like this with Gustavo. But now that Houston Car Meets has grown to where they're at now, to have a car that was sponsored by all the sponsors from Houston Car Meets, we try to take advantage of riding together out to certain events. And here soon in the future, I think I'm going to do some work on the Mustang as well. For those who do follow, I've mentioned before that I do the Starlight headliner. I still haven't done it in the BMW, just with work and other stuff. But that's me and Gustavo have been talking, and as soon as he's ready and I'm ready, we're gonna do stars on the Mustang. And then I have a little project in the works for the stars, and that's with our boy TJ, that we'll eventually get him in the camera and speak on the little project we're working on once we're ready. But here we are about to pull up to Torque Houston, or Torque Cars and Coffee, and we'll check it out once we arrive. All these bikes. Tempted. Me and this guy tempted to get another bike. Yeah, what happened to yours? Yours was stolen too?
It was stolen, yeah, bro.
His was stolen, mine was stolen.
Dude, matter of fact, that day we were supposed to kind of plan a ride together. Remember, like Kevin,
Yeah.
homeboy Kevin was supposed to let me borrow, but I was supposed to go all riding.
Yeah.
And then you get your stuff stolen.
M2,
So
M2, M2, M2. These M2s are growing on me. BMW game, all the different style builds. This thing is crazy. The matte black, the white with carbon fiber. Then you got that one. Looks like slicks on the back. Alright guys, so as you can see, we came to eat because I guess the event ended early.
Bro, like super early. Like, bro, it's like our day off. We're trying to see some cars, and it's like, it's over.
So we spoke with, what's the name? Tim from Torque
Houston.
Chopped it up of future events, so
Yep.
stay tuned. Once he gives Gustavo the flyer, then we can share the flyer.
Yeah. Pretty soon, there's gonna be another collab with them. So.
But we was hungry, so we came to eat some wings, and then I think we're gonna go watch the cars
The Brio.
at Brio. Well,
Deluxe.
not Brio. His name is David. Brio was the old business name. All right, we had to order some food, but Brio was the old business name.
Yes, sir. Our boy David.
So our boy David, now Deluxe Car Wash. Everything hand wash.
Bro, shout out to David, man. Big props to David, bro. Second location. We did his grand opening like last week?
Last week, I mean, if you guys saw the YouTube channel, you saw how packed it got before it opened, and Mr. Late for the show.
Man, bro. Hey, it was, bro, I got a car accident, man. I sent David a picture. I was like, bro, you see this? I'm like, why every time I'm like, yes, I'm gonna get there. Something is like holding me. Look at today, bro. Like, I missed my flight. Sheesh. Thank you.
We got some cheese sticks. But yeah, so after we get done eating, we're gonna go get the cars washed at the Deluxe Car Wash off of 610 and Yale and 14th Street, I believe.
Yeah.
If you're in the Houston area. But essentially, this morning's little Cars and Coffee came to an end pretty short. Tim told us people were there early and just left early because they said it was hot. But so stay tuned. There's gonna be a spotty vlog just here and there everywhere. But I'm trying my best to be more consistent on these videos. I dropped the grand opening video and I have to drop the Sunday video, which I'll probably edit tonight and drop it tomorrow, and then I gotta edit this video and probably drop it Tuesday or something. But trying. Darius has been on my to be more consistent.
Like, come on, man.
And I think from when I looked at my hard drive, I'm still 2 or 3 videos late. And one of them is when I went to Texas 2K.
Bro, there's about 10 plus videos in this freaking that I haven't dropped, dude.
Bro, working a normal 9 to 5.
Oh man.
Well, as a mechanic, and I get burnt out.
Yeah, I get burned out too.
So,
no lie.
I mean, not complaints to trying to be a YouTuber, but it is hard work. But if your income is strictly YouTube, man, props to them.
To you, yeah.
Especially the ones who do the self-editing,
yeah,
and not having to pay somebody.
And that's their only income.
And that's the only income. So,
yep.
So like I said, bear with me. I'm trying to be consistent and grow. But
just keep watching the video. Bro.
But just keep watching, sharing, like, subscribe. Trying to get better at the editing, but it's as long as I'm posting, right? That's all that really matters. But we're gonna wait on our food, eat some cheese sticks for right now, and then probably pick up the camera when our wings get out or once we get on the road to go to Davis.
To Davis spot, yeah.
All right, guys, we're back in the car. About to go see David. All right, get some highway rollers of this guy.
Let's go.
It is hot today. The car says it's 93. What does your car say? Mine says 93 plus. 101.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Alright, let's go. We have arrived to the Davis car wash.
Always
Gus pulled up and his big brother was right in front of him. The super snake Shelby. But pulled up and there was also a lineup of BMWs. But nice little turnout. Got Mercedes over there, little Shelby here, and my little group of BMWs right here. But look at that. Quick little Sunday fun day car wash. Short little vlog. Just got the cars washed. Everything's all pretty. The weather's good for the rest of this week. Immaculate. It is hot today, guys, but Houston Carmeets is clean. Look at that carbon fiber. See if you see that shimmer like you said earlier. Super clean. This will probably be the end of the vlog, maybe, because I think we're about to go our separate ways. But it was just something quick for today, you know. Stay tuned for the next upcoming vlog and events. What you got to say, man?
Hey, man, bro. All I gotta say, bro, big shout out to David. You know what I'm saying? Deluxe Hand Car Wash. This is the location number 1. And I know he opened up his second location, bro. But look at this. They do an amazing job, bro. No wonder a lot of people always come to him. He does.
Yes, sir.
So, thank you, bro.
Boy no here, but some 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 boy no here.